Reed returned to court where her lawyers asked the judge to dismiss 2 of the 3 charges against her, including the murder charge. The judge is now considering that motion. WBZ's Kristina has been following this case since the beginning and knew at 6 what one of the jurors told her about today's arguments.
I've spoken multiple times with a juror from Karen Reed's first trial, and this person tells me today that they've spoken with a couple other jurors in this case, saying they think it's pretty simple. If the court wants the truth about the unanimous final not guilty votes on charges 1 and 3, they will reach out to the jury or bring us back in. If they don't, they won't. I'm quoting that juror who agreed to speak on the condition of anonymity.
Good luck, Karen!
Karen Reed walks through a crowd of her supporters, a route that has become routine at each hearing in her murder trial.
Come on, keep them moving.
Inside, her newest attorney, Marty Weinberg, argues that 2 charges against her, murder and leaving the scene, should be dismissed because jurors have come forward with information that they had voted to acquit Reed on those charges.
Order a hearing, Judge. Don't make Miss Reed be the first person in the history of the Commonwealth to face re-prosecution for murder by the same prosecutor's office that tried her once and failed to persuade the jury she was guilty.
He wants the judge to call the jury back and ask them what happened. But asking jurors about their deliberations after a trial is strictly prohibited, prosecutors say, even if jurors came forward themselves.
So whether or not you initiate the call to the juror or the juror calls you, it still does not allow the counsel or the court to then have these conversations with these jurors.
Meanwhile, outside, dueling protests. Both groups saying they want justice for the victim, John O'Keefe. One side believing justice means Karen Reed behind bars. The other believing it means Karen Reed walks free.
We want justice for JJ! Justice for JJ!
Now, multiple legal experts have told me this is a really complicated and unusual issue. The judge took it under advisement and she'll issue some written decision in the future. In Dedham, Kristina, WBZ News.